Nagluluto tayo ng kare-kare with crunchy belly, pork belly. So here, ang ating kare-kare. It's so yummy, yummy. Kare-kare, kare-kare. Kare-kare. Gagawa rin tayo ng cheesy potato. Ayan, patatas siya na pinag-get ko at pinoil ko dahil mamash natin yan later. So, ayan, dinrain lang natin yung potato na nilaga natin. Tapos, imamash natin yan later. Tapos, ilalagyan ng timpla. At lalagyan ng cheese. How I do it? You have to roll it.
Looks yummy so far.
Yes, this is... Look, point here. Okay, you have to mold it the way you want, the shape you want. So far, this is the shape that you want, right? And then roll it in a breadcrumbs. Yeah, breadcrumbs.
Okay, Mommy, I'm
So
mostly
like
focusing on eating it.
I know. So you put, did you show this? How many?
Also, a little bit.
Wait. Just to finish. You can fry or you can bake in an oven or you can air fry. So mostly, si Luke ay air fry, di ba?
Mom, I don't really care how you cook it. I just want to eat it. As long as it's
because
good.
this one is combination of cheese and potato.
Oh, wait, sorry.
Here.
Okay.
So this is ready to.
That one.
How about this one? We can fry it in a. Oh, that's the cheesy thingy. Oh. Samantala, meron naman akong dito sa sides, may gagawin naman akong, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag pero invento. Chicken breast, tapos sibuyas, carrots, parang gigiligin ko siya mamaya sa ating, dito sa ating grinder. Ayan, ilagay natin dyan later. Para siya ay naging pino at makombine siya, and then timplahan din natin. Kakailanganin din natin itong ating nori, sushi, nori yan, para pambalot mamaya, kasi shape natin siya. So, lalagyan natin ng timpla, itlog at konting harina para siya ay bumuo at para mabalot natin dito. Lalagyan natin doon. So, yun na ang ating chicken breast. Wow! Ano nangyari doon? Nasa mid. May itlog na nilaga. Lasagna pasta.
Oh my gosh, what's
and bread. Nasa mid. Nasa mid. Nasa mid. Ayan, kumain sila. Ayan na, magbe-breakfast kami. Nasa mid. Yung nubo. Tapos nasa mid. Nilamig.
Bro, I'm actually wearing a skirt.
Lamig din. Hindi, lumamig na. Kanina nang paglabas natin, hindi ko ramdam ngayon.
Papaarawin natin.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Na, that's it na, that's it. Thank you, Lord. Pang second question.
What's my favorite reality TV show?
Friends. Reality TV show?
Reality.
What's your answer?
TV show?
Yeah, it's also
Reality.
Reality?
Reality nga eh.
Wait, the reality. Friends is not reality, Loki.
Is it this?
No, it's not reality.
You know what reality means?
It is real. Anna, what's your answer?
Wait, reality TV show. The American version of Family Feud.
The American? Okay, and my answer is Family Feud.
I say American.
Ikaw, Daddy, anong sagot mo?
Showtime.
Showtime. Oo nga, no, especially mo. So, what's the correct answer, Kuya?
Showtime.
Showtime.
I decided.
Sige, that is correct. Yeah. Oh, pangwalo.
Ito, what's my favorite rom-com?
It's the one with Kat.
Rom-com. O, di ano, yung...
It's the one with Kat.
Yes. The ano? House arrest. Oh my God, yan.
Wait, Mom.
Ulit-ulit mo yan eh.
I think it's the one where Daniela has a white shirt.
House arrest ba yun? Ayaw ang title mo.
No, wait. That one
Ano nga sa tanong
where
mo?
Daniel had a white shirt and they had...
Hindi niya alam ang title.
Was called again, and Catherine and Daniel just went to flowers and saw a grave.
Yung ano siya, yung...
And Daniel had a passport
Yun nga, parang ano yun? Yun yung pelikula pinunod na, nalimutan ko na sa yun. The House of Us yata yun.
No, I don't think
Yeah, that's the movie title. Barcelona?
maybe it's the dumpster.
Oh, that is answer no, Barcelona. O, sino tama?
Hang on.
Ay, ano answer mo, de? Ano answer mo?
Aston Kutcher.
Aston Kutcher makalubuhan. Hindi na abutan eh.
Mom,
Ang dami.
Mom, you could
Yung
just
luma.
Mom, Dad, you could just miss it out if you want to.
Just married.
Just married. Oh. Ano, tama, Lance.
Lahat ng app niya.
Oo, tama kami.
I want that.
Oh, pang 9 na.
It's my favorite animal.
Oh, ano daw paboritong animal ni daddy mo? Lance mo na.
Dog.
Dog. Ikaw, Tiger. Tiger. Ako, lion. Oh, sinong tama, de? Bakit ka nilalaro ko ng bata ka? Inuuli mo? Oh, next.
Dog.
What decade? What decade would daddy most like to live in? Oh, ano daw ang dekada ang question?
90s.
90s? Ikaw? 2000?
Because kuya, you were born, Dad had almost a perfect life, and he didn't have to pay for us.
No, for me, my answer is this decade today.
I think 2000 is better.
2020s. Yeah. Tama? Anong sagot eh? 90? Ay, akala ko gusto mo ngayon may magkakasama tayo.
No, Mom, I was closer than you, so I was second.
Okay. Ay, kala ko po naman ito yung gusto mo. Dahil ito complete tayo. Varsity ka.
Kaya pa ako din.
Ayat mo. Yung pala yun.
Just next.
Yung pala yun. O, third question. Yan, parang fiesta dito. Wala Philippines. America. Spain?
Yep.
Oh, nice. Kenya?
That's South Africa.
Oh,
South Africa.
South Africa.
Italy and Portugal.
Portugal? Wow, you know that? Walang Philippines. Saan? Liliko ka. Kakanan? Ayun. We're here, we're here, we're here. Yeah, that's the castle. This is the entrance. Yes. This is my castle. This is the part of the castle. So there we go. This is my castle, okay? Welcome to my castle. This is the castle. I am done.